Thank you for watching and please try it.